Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in 𝐂𝐤𝐡 platform. As you guys know, whenever any important notification updates or informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on 𝐂𝐤𝐡 platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So if we talk about guys, the official updates are available about from the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. So they announced the two important requirement for all of you. So we are going to discuss about the both the requirement. So the first requirement is young professional requirement, and multiple different locations this requirement is available for different disciplines. So young professional technical first class BE BTech degree civil electronics mechanical electrical vacancies are there. Up to 50,000 salary you will get. Similarly, there are many other posts are also available, like young professional cyber security, 3 posts are available. BE BTech in an like MCA degree if you have in a computer science, information technology, electronics communication, cyber security, you are eligible to apply. Up to 50% is your package. If you talk about guys next, then you can also check like young professional related guidelines is also mentioned here. So technical discipline examinations of unit level engineering, procurement, inventory, productions related matters from technical viewpoint, and the other details is also there. So those students who want to check, they can check. Young professional cyber security, the qualification is also available here. So guys, this is the young professional requirement, so related information is also there. Those students who want to apply, they can apply by visiting the official website. As this is the young professional requirement, so not much important details are there. 17/8/26 is the last detail dates to apply. If we talk about guys second notification, this is definitely the important notifications because they are going to conduct their entire requirement process. So deputy manager IT application developer, up to 50,000 to 60,000 salary slab, and maximum age limit is 35 year. Similarly, assistant manager IT vacancies are also there. Safety vacancies are also there with the salary slab of 40,000 to 1 lakh 40,000, and accordingly the vacancy distribution is also mentioned. So guys, those students who want to apply, the eligibility is also mentioned here, like the deputy manager IT application developer. Here some experience requirement is there. BE BTech candidates can apply along with the experience. Similarly, you can also check like assistant manager IT first class full time MCA, first class BTech computer science engineering IT fresher candidates can also apply in assistant manager IT post. Even grade vacancies are there. Similarly, safety discipline vacancies also engineering students can apply. So these vacancies also engineering students are eligible to apply. So those students who want to apply, you need to apply before the 24/8/26 is the last date of application. SC ST candidate will get 5 year age relaxation. OBC candidates will get 3 years age relaxation. The examination fees is 1,000 rupees, and 200 rupees for intimation charges. And here also the examination pattern is also there. So 70% weightage for online test and 25% weightage for interview. The professional knowledge, general awareness, English language, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, number of question 120, maximum marks 150, and accordingly the complete list is also there. So those students who want to apply, they can apply. The like application procedure, payment of fees, document scans, and other details are also there. So guys, two notifications are out for all of you. The both notification PDF we will share in 𝐂𝐿𝐷_PW Telegram channel, from where you can access it. Rest we will meet in another session. Till then, goodbye, take care.